In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email to your Eventbrite attendees. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Eventbrite dashboard to start crafting a message for everyone who's registered, whether you're sending a reminder, a welcome note, or a last-minute update. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Eventbrite. Sign into your organizer account so you can access your events. If you manage multiple events, it helps to have the event name handy to quickly find it from your dashboard. Once you're in, you're ready to navigate to the email tool. Next, go to your event. On the event card or event page, locate the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu. Click that, then choose Edit. This takes you into the event's management area. From the left-hand or top navigation, look for Manage Attendees. Click that and then select Emails to Attendees. This is the dedicated space where Eventbrite lets you communicate directly with the people who have tickets to your event. Now click New Attendee Email. That opens the email composer so you can start creating your message. Inside the composer, you'll see fields for the subject line and body content and options for selecting which attendees should receive the message. Keep your subject clear and specific so recipients immediately understand the purpose, like your event details for tomorrow or updated venue information. In the message body, lead with the most important information first. If you're sharing logistics, include the date, start time, location, or access link, and any must-know instructions such as check-in details or what to bring. If your event is virtual, clarify how to join and when the room opens. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and if you're adding links, make sure they're easy to recognize and relevant. A friendly, helpful tone goes a long way, especially if you're sending reminders or follow-ups. If your event is large, consider writing in a way that will make sense to both first-time and returning attendees. That's it. You're done. You've navigated to your event, opened the Emails to Attendees tool, and started a new attendee email so you can communicate right from your Eventbrite dashboard. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Menu labels can shift over time, but the path is the same. Open your event, find Manage Attendees, go to Emails to Attendees, and start a new email. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.